Good morning, sixth graders. I'm sorry I can't be with you today. I'm at that meeting that I told you I had to go to today. Here's what you're going to do for an assignment. You are going to go to Google Classroom, and I have an assignment. It doesn't quite look normal right here because I haven't posted it yet, but you will have an assignment called Email Assignment, and you're going to click on it so that you can see the document, and it looks like this. Notice it has two parts. We've got part 1, and then if you scroll down to the second page, you have a part 2. Okay? Part 1 you are going to do with a partner who sits at your table. Okay? So you'll need to figure that out, and there may be some folks that need to switch to find a partner, switch tables, but first look to sit with your table, and then if you have to, because you're an odd number, you can switch to another table and your substitute will help you with that. Okay, on part 1, what you're going to see is an example email up here. You're going to get with your partner and you're going to follow these directions. You're going to read and discuss the email with your partner. You will create a Google Doc called Email Mistakes and make a list of what you and your partner think is wrong with the email. There are at least 6 things wrong with this email. Now, both of you will create a document, okay? We're going to need it for part 2, so I need both of you to create a document. You'll be talking about what you think is wrong because you'll both have to do something with it in part 2. Okay, then below your list of things that you think are wrong with the email, you will rewrite the email better, okay? So you're going to correct the mistakes and just make it an overall better email, okay? Now, we talked about several things yesterday on email and what proper etiquette is for email. So you're not only looking for tone here and spelling mistakes or grammar mistakes or capitalization, but you're also looking for etiquette mistakes that they've made in this sample email. Okay, so that's part 1. You'll do that first with your partner, and then part 2 is down here. It's about files and links. Okay, here's what you're going to do. You're going to send me an email with a short paragraph explaining what you think about middle school so far. Tell me what you like about it, what's been your biggest challenge, and what you're looking forward to this year. So I'm looking for 3 to 5 sentences, okay, complete sentences. Then I want to see that you know how to put a document into an email. So you're going to insert the document that you made in part 1 that you called Email Mistakes into the email before you send it to me. And then the second thing I want you to do is to include a hyperlink to a website you like, okay? Make sure that it's school appropriate and not blocked by our filter, okay? So real quick, if you have not done a hyperlink in an email before, let me give you just a quick look on how to do that. Okay, over here, you're going to see, I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. Let's say that I want to make a hyperlink to Heritage Middle School's website. Okay, here's what I would do. I would type in the words that I want to be my link. I would highlight them. Oh, excuse me. First, I'm going to need to go to Heritage Middle School website. Okay, you got to pull it up on a tab. You're going to click up here in the Omnibox. Copy that by doing Control-C and then switch back. It never fails. I do this and the bell rings. Switch back to your email. You're going to highlight what you want to be your link. Click down here. And here it's showing that Heritage Middle School is my text. And then I'm just going to paste in the link, okay, and hit OK. And that's how it works for inserting a link. Okay? If you have any questions, you can quietly ask the people at your table. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.